Here is another example on how to convert whole numbers in base 10 to base 9. Let's convert 327 base 10 to base 9. To do this, we divide repeatedly by 9 until further division is no longer possible. Then take the remainders upwards. Solution. Draw a table. 327 here. The base we are converting to 9 at the other side. 9 in 32, you have 3, which is 27. When you subtract 27 from 32, you have 5. 9 in 57, you have 6, which is 54. When you take away 54 from 57, you have a remainder of 3. Divide again by 9. 9 in 36, you have 4, remainder 0. Divide again by 9. 9 goes in 4, you have 0, remainder 4. Take the remainders upwards. So therefore, 327 base 10 equals 403 base 9. And that's how to convert all numbers in base 10 to base 9.